So to begin this exercise, remember you're just completely relaxing the mind. And as you bring the hands together, concentrating on the palms of the hands. Take some time when the palms of the hands come together, before you begin, just to stand quietly and think of that springtime scenery. So as the hands weave from one side of the body to the other, they're acting like the head of a swimming dragon. And at the same time, you're using the movement of your knees and your waist to wag the dragon's tail, which opens up your spine and transforms your chi into a much more active state. The waist really controls the entire movement. So the dragon chi is unfolding and opening, moving out and then circling back. And to maximize this snake movement, try to stay upright, so try not to lean forwards in the waist. And a great tip when you're moving your hands is to imagine that they're moving through honey or melted chocolate. And as you do this, really become aware of how the hands feel in relation to the environment that's surrounding them, how they move through the air. And pay any attention to any chi feelings in the hands themselves. So that should give you an idea of the speed and the flow of the exercise. And like I said, you can do that faster or slower, depending on whatever suits you and however confident you feel with the movements right now.